Hello, welcome to another quick tutorial. I'm using a rigger brush on 160 gram cartridge paper. I'm using the rigger brush to draw and to sort of put a little bit of color in as well. You use the side of the rigger to sort of squish in some color, and it's pretty versatile. You can see here on the legs I'm just using the edge of the brush there. But for the rest of it, I'm using a 1-inch synthetic ProArte brush. I suggest that if you're into watercolors and painting, you give it a try just painting directly onto the paper using a rigger brush. So you get that sort of spontaneity, that immediacy of line and color. You can definitely think about, plan out what you're going to do. You don't have to just rush in, but get a composition in your mind going. But I think this style I just kind of like that immediacy, sort of like a storyboard. I used to do a lot of storyboards, and I like that sort of marker way of using the paints. This picture will be up on my website, alanwitted.com, and please check out the website and leave me some comments here. It would be great if you subscribe to this channel, and it would definitely encourage me to do more of these. I do enjoy them. Thank you.